Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay January 29, 2024 Monday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM result ngayong January 29, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Monday, January 29, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto na 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 29, 2024 Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 8.9 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 29.7 million pesos for Monday, January 29, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of January 29, 2024 Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.